So,
Pura Vic.
yeah, going to Pura Luca Vega, talagang natural sa akin. Even yung ama namin pa lang, may pagka-gray area na para sa akin na
Saan ka mas na bother yung religious sensibilities mo? Yung sa ama namin o yung sa latest?
itong latest.
Okay.
Malala para sa akin yung
Kasi yun, sumasayaw lang siya to a disco version.
disco version.
Ito nasa
ama
mass na
namin.
mismo eh. Oo.
Yeah. And kung tutusin, may mga context naman. Some of the born again, which is very music ministry based, di ba? You really see them dancing also
even di ba, even mga African American
Correct.
churches, they're like, di ba,
yes. So
Sister Act!
correct. Yeah, but totoo yan, di ba? Music is really part of that. And dancing, you express yourself to dancing. So, hindi ako masyadong bothered dyan. Pero na-bother ako dito sa napanood ko. Sa nakita ko.
na pictures actually.
Sa picture. Yan lang talaga. Nakita ko yung picture na yan. Hawak-hawak niya para siya nagko-concentrate. Kasi yung hawak niya, at least doon sa picture, was the host na broken. Which is exactly the point ng
priest.
of the priest na nagko-consecrate,
yes,
di ba? You break bread and then that's when it's given out. Yan. So, ayun, para bang doon pa lang, ay ano ba yan? Bakit naman niya kailangan gawin yan? Di ba? Hindi naman niya kailangan...
Nanggagago na naman to.
Oo, nanggagago naman. Is it just for the engagement, for the clicks, para pag-usapan siya uli? Para bang... doon, nalungkot ako at na-bother ako. Yan. That's how I felt. How did you feel when you saw the still photo muna? Wala.
I did not feel offended at all. I guess you felt offended, right?
I felt offended.
Sorry. Offended or just bothered?
Hindi, offended.
Offended.
Yeah.
But
parang crossing the line.
Yeah,
na-cross na
you
line.
just felt offended, right?
Yeah.
Ako naman kasi hindi eh. Kasi for me it was nung una, siyempre I was just curious na parang what's he doing again, di ba? And then because nga in the context na people are talking about it.
Correct.
Online. So nung unang nabasa ko yun, parang ang unang naisip ko kasi was that kasi nakita ko naman yung picture na kasama yung pare. So, hindi siya yung pare.
Oo.
So, klaro sa mind ko na hindi siya yung pare.
Hindi ko napansin yung pare.
Yun, oo. So, para sa akin kasi, I've seen it done to be perfectly honest, I do attend pa rin Sunday Mass pag nandyan ako sa bahay at kasama ko yung nanay.
Yun, so sweet!
Alam ko rin pa rin kung ano nangyayari ngayon sa simbahan, including na yung parang, iba na pala yung mga ama namin songs.
Marami na. Oo, correct. Marami ng bagong mga kanta.
Na hindi ako makasabay. But anyway, so alam ko rin na minsan, it's like di ba pag yung pare magko-communion na tapos merong mga I don't know what you call them.
Yeah, lay ministers.
Lay ministers. Yeah, lay ministers. Because they get laid. So
I am offended.
So anyway,
hindi po.
Sila nakakahawak sila ng di ba? And those are all consecrated hosts. Yeah. So yun yung unang naisip ko na because I saw that there was a priest na hindi siya yung pare.
Yeah.
So hindi naman ako actually offended at all. And then when I read about na he was just a guest, maybe I should be referring to Pura as she, no?
Nga pala,
she was a guest in the church, and I think sa homily nagsalita siya. And the objective, I think, of having Pura in that
during
mass,
that pride, it's a pride mass, di ba?
Na yung to make the mass more inclusive. Let's take note naman that this church kasi is not a Roman Catholic church. It is a Christian church. It's a progressive church.
Yeah.
It's a church that allows gay, not weddings gay
unions.
Unions, di ba? Nagpo-officiate sila ng gay unions.
Yeah.
So it's a very progressive church. So nung na-contextualize yun, then I got na kaya hindi ako offended at all.
Okay.
But I also understand why that kind of image can be very offensive to the more religious and which is why nga I felt that medyo na-imbure na ako ng slightly doon sa kung sino man yung online nagpapakalat. Kasi feeling ko pang clickbait lang yan eh.
Ah.
Feeling ko kasi na, nung nag-mass sila, okay, maybe the objective of the church was to also publicize it para makita naman ng mga tao na, uy, we're progressive. Maybe maybe. But ako yung just that act of being progressive was already enough. That they didn't have to be publicized. Yan. And
I get what you're saying.
oh, and then the people who are public or are pushing it on social media na whether it's totoong galit or nagpapa-fake galit sila na ganyan for clickbait, yun na yung parang wala namang ginagawa yung tao tapos but kasi I get it when there are those who spread it because they really were genuinely offended.
Actually, nagkaroon rin ako ng kasi Joel showed me kanina, nagano kami, no? We had to search for it. So, first time ko nakita yung context. And babalikan ko yung point mo kasi basta yung context pala na, yun nga, exactly as Joel mentioned, first time ko nakita na it is Metro Manila Christian Church, progressive, hindi naman siya Catholic. And then, he was actually giving out, tumutulong lang siya sa pare sa pagbigay.
Parang lay minister.
Para siyang lay minister. Of course, may parang taas ng kilay kasi a lay minister in the Catholic Church here in the Philippines, you have to go through training.
Yeah,
hindi
naman yung parang, uy, halika dito, serve ka.
Correct. That's why nuns can do that. Kasi, yun nga, parang may blessedness rin naman na nire-require. That's why, pwede mong taasan ng kilay yan. Pero, nag-soften yung stance ko nung nalaman ko all of these things na hindi naman siya, namimigay lang naman siya ng tumutulong lang siya sa pagbigay. Of course, in all her drag
glory.
Oh, glory. Fine. Okay. Ngayon, that brings me to your point na actually, baka nga may malis yung to just capture that one photo and then to spread that to incite hate or anger.
I think two things happened there. There are those who saw it maybe because they shared it dahil they were progressive, di ba? And they parang, look how progressive we are. And then syempre, yung reaction ng mga tao, merong either okay or not okay. And then those who are okay, spread it pa rin. And then those who are not okay, spread it also.
Spread it also. Pero ang ano ko is, yung like what I really got just a still of her na hawak yung para siya nagko-consecrate.
Right.
Which is really offensive. Kaya, gets ko yung sinasabi mo na, para bang, may mga tao na minsan yung intentions nila, di ba, may maalis to really spread hate. Kasi kung may pagka gusto mo lang naman i-share, sabihin na natin na offend ka, pero ilagay mo pa rin yung buong context sana kung paano mo nakita yung video at saka hindi lang yung one particular still na hawak-hawak niya na parang nagko-concentrate siya ng
Kaya nga nowadays I'm a little careful also with
yes.
being online kasi pag unang tingin tapos meron kang reaction which is very normal, 'di ba? You get offended or you like it and then you spread it and then you find out later on, like kunwari ako, sometimes I like something, I spread it kaagad na
correct.
Ganda and I think it's harmless, no? And then somebody tells me, ay, ano yan? AI yan. Hindi
correct.
totoo.
Yeah.
Parang di pahiya pa ako, hindi ba? Ganun.
So how do you know? What kind of filtering or do you do with posts that you see? How do you fact check or validate?
Nowadays, whether I like it or don't like it, I just double check na lang.
Especially if I think that's the safer thing to do, correct?
Ang hirap eh. There are some na siguro with all, kasi even if kunwari daw, it's so super familiar like a show. Kunwari daw, yung show ni Vice Ganda, yung It's Showtime.
Showtime, yeah.
So it looks like parang, it's really Showtime. So bakit mo iisipin na fake yun, pero it turns out pala, in-AI pala yun, di ba? So, kaya di ba,
correct, yeah.
But, so yun, I just try as much as possible to double check, or if I think to myself, if it's not naman that, I'm not an influencer, so if it's not naman that huge of a deal, whether I like it or I hate it, hindi ko na lang kung hindi ko ma-fact check, hindi ko na lang.
Hindi mo siya share.
Hindi ko na
Correct. I think that's a very safe way of
Pero what I find interesting is that when you felt offended, meron ka ba namang ginawa?
I didn't share. I didn't even react to it. Okay. Basta it was a personal thing lang. I kept to myself. Kumbaga, yeah.
I think that's I think that's good because you acknowledge naman your feelings. Totoo naman I mean, your feelings are your feelings and everyone has the right to be offended.
Correct.
But ang naiinis lang ko yung mga Karens of this world,
correct.
di ba yun? Na parang just because you have the right to be offended doesn't give you the right to force someone not to offend you.
Yeah.
Get it? Kunwari daw, I offend you because my stance is, I can wear drag.
Correct.
As a priest, I can wear drag. So na-offend ka. But you don't have the right to tell me na I cannot offend you. Get it? Kasi you cannot force me to, or if I say something na you find offensive, I still have the freedom of speech.
I cannot tell you to shut up. Don't say that.
Okay, you can debate with me. You can debate with me. You can kasi friends tayo. So pwede mong sabihin na shut up.
Pero
pero kung kunwari daw hindi tayo makakilala,
social media, blah blah blah.
You can politely disagree. You can show your own yung parang I disagree, this is what I believe in, ganyan. But to insist that that person be censored for saying those things.
Censorship.
You cannot.
Correct.
I mean, if he's going to offend you, but so long as hindi naman okay, iba ang offending you to your face na talagang it's an attack. Iba yung attack versus I'm saying something that you just find offensive.
Gets.
So kung yung atake talaga, then you have every right to defend yourself. But if it's something na kunwari, I say, what's offensive for you? Madonna is a slut! Ganyan, di ba? And then you find it offensive.
Not really very offensive. Facts lang.
Pero yun, di ba? Then I still have the freedom of speech to say.
Correct.
And then you can say.
I cannot censor you.
But you can always disagree and say na parang, no, she's not a slut. She's the virgin because like a virgin.
True. Actually, that's a lesson for us, no? Especially as we navigate this thing called social media and how we express ourselves. Minsan ko nga, ang feeling ko, maraming opinion dyan na nilalabas nila na sana nilalabas na lang nila kung mga kaibigan lang nila yung kaharap nila o kausap nila.
GC lang.
May sarili kayong GC, yan, sige. Doon ka maglabas. Pero hindi, nilalabas talaga nila sa X or sa, or FB and talagang magkakagulo talaga.
Which is why nga, I've become less active on social media. Especially nung after the elections, nung nanalo si BBM. Talagang umescape ako sa I mean I still have my account on Facebook but I really barely look at Facebook now except for Messenger.
Nasaktan siya kasi hindi siya kasama sa 31 million. Hindi, masaya siya. Proud kami, hindi kami part of.
Yun. So pero because of that and I realized that social media can really be it's a when once you get into that rabbit hole minsan ang hirap, diba? So kaya parang now I'm appreciating the Gen X attitude of
nonchalant.
I'm too old for that.
Hindi namin kaya maging nonchalant. Okay. But going back now, I mean just to wrap things up in terms of your faith, like
wrap.
In terms of your I was about to see, we're trying to be funny.
So in terms of my faith,
do you think that you see that changing or evolving?
I think especially if I'm on my deathbed. No, as of now I'm very comfortable with my belief. Nothing naman has happened that made me it's making me change my mind. I am open to the idea that maybe one day something happens that might make me go this way or that way.
Okay.
But hindi ako sarado kasi yun na nga I guess I'm that open-minded enough when it comes to religion that, okay, pagdating sa spirituality ko, medyo okay na ako.
Okay.
Pero pagdating sa mga organized religion, yan, pwede pa ako ma-convince na, nag-iba na yung church, yung Catholic Church, mas progressive na sila. I mean, thanks to Pope Francis.
Pope Francis, yeah.
Parang,
There's
progress.
Yeah. And to his credit, si Pope Leo, it's not necessarily, for a while there, I was scared na baka i-reverse niya. Mukhang hindi naman. Hindi niya nire-reverse yung sinasabi lang niya, kina-clarify lang niya. And so, I'm pretty happy about that. Also, that's nice to hear also na you remain open to...
Yeah, tsaka yung naniniwala pa rin naman ako na...
Not that I'm judging you. Tagal ko na siya na-judge.
But I'm not, kasi the fact that there is still something divine.
Yeah.
Divine!
Baklang-bakla. My drag name is
divine. Meron na palang. Anyway,
yeah.
But yeah, there is something divine. I still, kunwari between naniniwala at hindi naniniwala, mas pumapanig ako sa naniniwala that there is something cosmic about this whole thing. As Albert Einstein said, God doesn't roll the dice.
Yeah.
So even though I do say na, malay mo, it's actually just a roll of the dice. This is all by chance, di ba? Mas maliit 'yon, yung hindi ako mas naniniwala doon, pumapanig doon versus yung sa mukhang namang meron.
Mas may katotohanan.
May rhyme and reason. As far as what I can see and experience and feel, na parang everything seems to be going this way rather than this.
Yeah.
Yun. And it's only when something bad happens that they go, tangina tong world na to.
Anyway, so parang, well, just to wrap it up. I mean, the final wrap up.
Ikaw naman, given that yung medyo na contextualize na si Pura.
Yeah.
But how? So you actually said na medyo nag-soften.
No, nag-soften yung stance ko. Especially since it's not parang nung nakita ko yung context of what was being done, where it was being done. So, mas nainis lang ako dun sa mga, yun nga, parang feeling ko, deliberately pushing my buttons by sharing those types of stills, etc., without putting context. Kaya, lesson sa akin talaga na, to fact check, to validate, so that I'd know more, especially in this time. But, I'm absolving. Pura
you are a judge.
Judger ako, yeah. So, yan, nahimasmasan ako after being able to see that.
Well, see, more tea yun.
And so, you?
Ako naman, I also appreciate the fact that I appreciate gay guys who are able to reconcile their Catholic, gay Catholics. Kasi baka pero gay Catholics are able to reconcile their Catholic faith with their being gay. It's not easy, but whatever it is whatever mental and spiritual tumbling that they do, but the fact is that they are comfortable with it. I'm happy for them, including you.
Yeah. Thank you, Ken. So with that, this has been another. Sorry.
So with that,
I'm Bo.
I'm Joel,
and this has been yours truly, the podcast. Maraming salamat.
Thank you.